Pope Leo XIV has designated St. Mary's Pro Cathedral in Dublin as the city's official Catholic cathedral, making it the first cathedral in 500 years. The approval of upgrading its status from temporary to permanent cathedral comes after a request from Archbishop Dermot Farrell as the cathedral celebrates its bicentennial. The Pro in Pro Cathedral stands for Pro Tempore or temporary, and now the cathedral will be known as St. Mary's. Located in Marlborough Street, the cathedral was built in 1825. The laws of a Catholic cathedral in Dublin dates back to the Reformation. Originally, Christ Church served as a Catholic cathedral, but when Protestants broke from the papacy, both Christ Church and St. Patrick's cathedrals became property of the Church of Ireland. It took 300 years before Catholics had a temporary cathedral, with St. Mary's completed in 1825. The issue of cathedral ownership remained one of the lasting legacies of the Reformation, affecting Dublin for centuries.